All right, here it comes. It looks so good.
And we have the Almost Engineering New York
License
license plate. No.
Actually, it's a really cold day out. And we're trying to paint the rear control arms, which means the primer and paint is going to be a little bit sticky. This one's basically empty, I think.
Excellent form.
Yeah, it's better than somebody just going
Shut up.
left hand sewing coordinated.
Is this camera waterproof?
No.
Babe.
Well, I mean, that's probably not going to hurt it, but don't drop it in the water.
What water am I going to drop?
I don't know, I'm just saying.
I'm just saying I'm standing out here in the rain.
You know what I can do is I can pick up the ladder and turn it that way more. Better?
Yes, thank you, baby.
You're welcome. I'm sorry, it's just too new. If it was like set up and I had it for a couple months, then I wouldn't care.
He got his brand new fireball table.
Yep, DIY table. You subscribe, that'll help pay for it maybe. This is a good setup. I'm pretty excited about this setup.
Let's take a look at the ones that we already painted black. Yep, so we already painted these ones black. They're probably gonna need another coat, but it looks, oh my god, it looks so good already.
Yeah, it looks so much better. I mean, like, it's always, having just like pure steel is always cool. Mm-hmm. But once it starts to rust, because you go for test drives and then like just the moisture for them being built for so long, it starts to look like dingy.
Yeah. And then over here, probably gonna put a coat of primer on this too today.
Do you know why you're supposed to do it like that, Shay? We go psh, psh, psh.
Yeah, so it doesn't bubble.
No, not so it doesn't bubble. It's when you start spraying in a spot, when you end in a spot, if you're not moving through the arc, there's different amounts of paint in those two places than for the whole in-between section. So you're supposed to start before you're on the piece, continue through it, and then let off.
Got it.
That
So
way
it's
it doesn't-
evenly distributed.
Yeah, that way it doesn't become like running in those places.
Okay. They look so good. They really do. They look sleeker. They look cleaner.
Yeah.
All right, so explain to us what's going on.
So we've gotten all of the A-arms done, all the like steering components, and we've taken all the tape off, and they're drying just a little bit, but they are basically done. The frame is perfectly primed, and right now I am prepping the steering wheel to plasti dip where your hands go, so that way it's got like a rubberized texture, which I think is going to come out pretty good. So I'm just covering it up, the rest of it, so that way it's going to be two different tones of paint, so we want it to look good, and we don't want them to like clash with each other. And while we were doing those coats, we did a coat of primer on the frame, as well as finished up doing all of the black paint on the frame. It turned out really good, and now it's time to finally put this thing back together. All right, here comes the beautiful F150 Power Wheels. The nice green and purple and black, and we got nice zip tie stitching in there. It looks absolutely sick.
So
it looks so
good.
freaking good. It looks so mean and aggressive. Holy shit.
It looks so good.
It looks so freaking aggressive. I'm really freaking happy with how it turned out. Oh my god. It looks so good.
I can't wait to watch you ride it.
I know, I can't wait to freaking ride this thing. I didn't even get to jump it properly last time. It just decided to let a shock go. And the shock didn't break, it just disassembled spontaneously. And we lost the one piece.
The purple and the green go so well with the black.
I know, you know what? It reminds me of like an old 90s snowmobile. These colors, like this green and purple and black, that was all 90s. Honestly, if we threw some pink on there, then it would be really 90s. If we had pink shocks, like springs.
We spray painted the shocks green to match the body.
All right, let's get some shots here before it starts raining on us.
Oh my God. That was so fast. That was so fast. That was so fast. That was so fast.
I know, that was sick, right?
One more time. No. Damn it. Is that the chain? Fuck.